We're at Penpac, and we did run into some other campers that have had similar issues to what you're talking about.
So with the slide?
With the slide tipping outward instead of going in like it's supposed to. What we've noticed is that the motor mounts, the gear mounts, the whole mechanism comes loose and is tipping with the slide. You're not catching it unless you look underneath.
So we're going to try to show you what to look for to see if this is your problem.
So it's going to be very difficult to show it to you.
Yeah.
On the slide in the mechanism right here, there's some mounting screws that hold this in. You can't see it, but it's kind of like right where my finger is. There's some mounting screws that perpetually come loose. They need to be tightened on a regular basis. And I think what's happened is your mounts have loosened up to the point they either snapped off or your mechanism has to move that way. So you may want to check those. The other option is the backside underneath your kick plate. Go back there and make sure those are tight as well. There's two bolts that go down into the chassis that you can see pretty easily, that you can check to see if those are also tight. So
go ahead.
So Joe, we're working on something else too, but this is maybe a little better view. These are the screws I'm talking about. So right here, so right here where my fingertip is.
I'm trying. Yeah, that one right there.
And then also check these screws on the back side of this mechanism. This mechanism is what's tipping forward and backward, just enough that's causing you the headache on that. Just hopefully that'll help you. That's just something we observed while we were here at Penpac on someone else's host. So.